I'm Nancy Taylor and I live in a little market town called Oundle. I currently teach yoga part-time and involved with the U3A in the Mindfulness and Meditation local group. So welcome to this mindfulness session. It's lovely to have you here with me. I would like you to join in for this 10-minute session. Have an upright chair ready. If you can take off your shoes, that would be good, and find those feet. If you need a block or a book under your feet to find the whole of your feet, please go and get one now. Please make sure that you breathe in and out through the nose if possible, and that's okay for you. Be nice and upright in your chair, not stiff, not holding yourself, but feeling supported. If it's comfortable, gently close your eyes or have them downcast and find your breath. So we'll start at the feet. Find your feet on the lovely earth, on your lovely floor. Find your support. You've got a little toe, you've got a big toe, you've got the whole of the feet. Enjoy that feeling of anchoring through your feet. Let's find the breath, in and out through the nose, remember. Let's come up the ankles. Find the ankles, find your shins. What about the knees? Space behind the knees, nothing tight. Space behind the knees, nothing tight. And then your thighs resting on your support, on your chair. If the mind starts wandering away, bring it back to your breath, back to your body, and back to my voice. Find your bottom on your chair, that's your support as well. Lovely support from the back of your chair. Up to the shoulders, find those beautiful relaxed shoulders. Nothing to hold on to here with the shoulders. You might want to wriggle them a bit just to find a little bit of easefulness through the body. Down both arms, elbows resting comfortably. Lower arms, and then find your hands. Often we keep tension in the hands, as if we're grasping something, ready to do something. So notice where they are and give them a little bit of ease and support. Your little finger, your ring finger, your middle finger, your forefinger, and your thumb, supported, letting go of any tension in the body. Let's come up through the neck. Often the jaw, we often keep tension in the jaw. So just notice that and let go. The tongue is relaxed. And if you're still feeling a little bit unsure, why not change the breath just for a couple of breaths. Let's breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let go. In through the nose and out through the mouth. So from your feet, let's join up some dots. Let's be connected to the body. So we've gone through the body scan quite briefly, so let's just connect feet, knees, legs, support through that wonderful trunk into your neck, down both arms, and feel the body as relaxed as possible with the breathing now in and out through the nose. And let's come back to the head. One of our anchors can be our feet, wonderful anchor for the feet. Find your feet whenever you're feeling off balance. The other beautiful one is the breath. So find your breath and notice it, not disturbing it, just notice it in and out through the nostrils. Don't try and do anything. It is your breath, your life force, just gently coming in and out. And you might notice a little sound, a gentle sound. You might notice a bit of movement, and that's fine. Nothing to do apart from follow that breath. Might be a little colder coming in, and just that little bit of warmth coming out. No criticism, and if the mind's gone off at this stage, which it will do, our mindfulness practice is about coming back to where we are now. No planning, no past thoughts, just with the breath, just being with the feet. And I'm going to leave you with your breath, with your anchors, with that wonderfully connected body for just a couple of minutes. Gently, just breathe. That busy mind might be taking us off, and that's part of our practice. But part of the special part of the practice is allowing ourselves to bring it back to the breath, giving ourselves this awareness that it has gone off, and just come back to your breath, your feet, for this last minute. Let's have a little deeper breath. Gently open your eyes if they're closed. Why not have a bit of a yawn and a bit of a stretch? Thank you for joining me.